Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech in Nation. Today I will be making a tutorial video on how to install Kali Linux or any Linux distribution inside a VirtualBox. So let's begin. First of all, what is VirtualBox and why it is used? VirtualBox is the free and open source hypervisor for x86 computer currently being developed by Oracle Corporation. Inside a VirtualBox, we can run multiple operating systems simultaneously. VirtualBox allows you to run more than one operating system at a time. In this way, you can run software written for one operating system on another. For example, Windows software on Linux or a Mac without having to reboot to use it. So now, first of all, we have to download VirtualBox. For downloading VirtualBox, simply write download VirtualBox. Now you have to go on VirtualBox official website. Click on here, that's Oracle's website. Then click on download VirtualBox 5.2. Now select the operating system that you are having in your system. Like I am having a Windows host, so I will download VirtualBox for Windows. It will be downloaded within few seconds, so I will skip this part. As you can see, the VirtualBox software has been downloaded, so we will open it and drop this software to desktop. Now double click it. That everyone knows that, but still. Now a dialog box will appear on the screen. Click on next, then again next. Now you have to select the options that you want. Like I don't want that quick launch bar and create start menu and trace, and rest two options I want. Click on next, then click on yes and install. It will install within few minutes. Now again one more dialog box appears, then click on yes. After installation, click on finish. Now a dialog box like this will appear on your screen. The operating system in your PC is known as host, and the operating system that you will be running inside the VirtualBox will be known as guest. So to install the operating system, we have to add new. Now type a name for your virtual operating system, like I will be giving it Kali _ Linux. Now then click on next. Now here you have to define a portion of RAM to your virtual operating system that it will be using it. So for best performance, I will suggest you to give an approximate 2 GB of RAM. Now click on next. Now here just select the second option and click create. Now here you have to select the first option, VDI, which means VirtualBox disk image. Now just simply click on next. Then you have to select the dynamically allocated. Now click on next. Now here just give 20 gigs of hard disk space and click on create. Like here you can see a virtual operating system has been created for you on left hand side of the screen, but the process is not completed yet. You have to download a Linux operating system file that you want to run inside this VirtualBox. Like I want to run Kali Linux in a VirtualBox, so I will be searching for download Kali Linux. Click on this link, first link. It will be start downloading here. I will be skipping this process for you because I am already having an ISO file for Kali Linux. So now you can see I am having a Kali Linux ISO file on my desktop. So I have to link this file with my virtual operating system that I have created inside the VirtualBox. So just click on this Kali Linux and click on settings. Then go on storage then click on empty here, then click on the CD icon. A drop down will appear, then choose a virtual optical disk file. Now you have to go on desktop and select that Kali Linux ISO file and click on open. This file has been linked to your virtual operating system. It's ready to use. Now just simply click on start. Now some of you will see these options. You can select any option to run your Linux. Like I will be running the first one, that is live AMT64. It's booting up the virtual operating system. Now here you can see the virtual Kali Linux operating system is successfully running inside a VirtualBox. Here you have a bunch of applications and commands to play with. Now I will be showing you some basic commands in the terminal of Kali Linux. Simply click on terminal, like ls, enter. The ls command will show all the directories I'm having inside this Kali Linux. So one more command like date, it shows a date, and ls a, it will be showing all the directories and even the hidden directories here with the ls space -a command. Like if you want to change a directory, you can simply write cd and then type the name of the directory you want to go in. Like I want to go in that downloads directory, so I will write downloads. Now here you can see I am in download directories. In download directory I can search for the files from this terminal. If I don't know any name of a file, I can simply write ls and enter. It has shown nothing. It means that download directory is not having any file or a folder inside it. Now if you want to go back, simply write cd space \. Now you are in the root directory. So these were some basic commands of the terminal of Kali Linux. Last option here, show application. Here are some bunch of software inside the Kali Linux. They are used for different purposes like penetrating testing, finding out the vulnerability inside a website or an operating system. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any question or suggestion, comment them below in the comment box. So if you want to install any other Linux operating system or any operating system inside a VirtualBox, just follow these simple steps that I have shown in this video. They are same for all operating systems. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, guys.